My name is Amber Gray. I'm an account executive here at DMG. I've been in sales for 9 years. I've worked a lot of different types of sales roles. For DMG, what really stands out to me is the solution selling. What we're selling to our customers is a need, not necessarily a want. To have a business, you have to have the facility in tip-top shape, and we're able to assist with that. Another thing for DMG that stands out is the relationships that I've built with, my coworkers, being able to build stronger relationships with those people as we kind of go through our day-to-day together. Once I, put that I worked at DMG, I've been approached by a lot of people at my past positions asking what's it like, and I've recommended it every time, telling them to apply and interview and kind of go through those next steps. If you're a true seller and you're really looking to expand, your verticals that you sell into, there's a lot of ability to do that here.